Hi, it's Miss Becky with Miss Becky's Musical Stories, and today we're going to read I Drive a Garbage Truck. And it's by Sarah Bridges, that's the author, and the illustrator is Derek Alderman and Denise Shea. My name is Jackie, and I drive a garbage truck. While I'm driving, my partner rides on the back of the truck. So this is Jackie driving, and here's her partner. We wear special clothes to do our job. Gloves protect our hands. Bright vests help other drivers see us when it's dark. Boots keep our feet from getting wet or cold. I sit in the cab of the truck. The cab has a steering wheel. It also has many levers. Here are the levers. Here's the steering wheel. And this is called the cab. My partner collects the garbage. He empties it into the back of the truck. There it is. And there's the back of the truck. My truck has mirrors that help me see what my partner is doing. My partner and I pick up a lot of garbage every day. We have a different route. We visit about 350 houses on each route. So there they go. This is the route. They're going today to all of these houses to pick up the garbage. We collect lots of different kinds of trash. We don't pick up things that can be recycled. The recycling truck picks up cans, glass, paper, and plastic. And there's the recycling bin and the sign. Sometimes people throw things into the trash that shouldn't be there. I once saw an air conditioner sticking out of a garbage can. When the truck is full, I drive to the landfill or incinerator. That's where I empty out the trash. Then the garbage is either buried or burned. When we're done, I drive the truck back to the garage for the night. After we wash the truck, it's ready for another trip tomorrow. And this is the parts of the garbage truck. So this is the tailgate, and this is the step to get up. So these are the words, the labels. This is the hopper, and this is the cab where they drive and where the steering wheel is. I hope you enjoyed the story, I Drive a Garbage Truck.